How to register for an event. Once logged in, click on the tab labeled Conferences. Once you find the event that you are wanting to register for, click it. There are filters that you can apply on the left side of the page to specify your search if needed. Once you are on the events page, click the blue Register button. This brings you to a ticketing page where you can register yourself or others for the event. Please keep in mind that there is a 15-minute time limit on this page. Once you find the ticket type you want, click the quantity you would like in the drop-down next to it, and then click Continue. This brings a pop-up where you can scroll down and add all the registrants' information, such as the attendee on-site badge information, emergency contact information, and additional on-site preferences. Once you complete all the information, click the green Continue button. This brings you to the shopping cart page. This is where you can double-check the information to ensure it is the event you want to register for and the correct quantity. If everything looks correct, click Checkout. The addresses that you have on your profile will populate on the shipping or tax address page. If you need to add a different address, click on the Add New Address. If everything looks correct, click Continue. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a copy of the receipt emailed to you, as well as an event confirmation. Closer to the chosen event, you will receive a welcome email from the conference planner. It will include more detailed information needed for the event.